So hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. Today we are discuss all the WEEX exchange application. I have to put this application link on my description below and comment box also. So when you tap the link, you will see like this type interface. And here you can pay to earn, trade more and more and to stay travel. And here you can sign up easily in this application. No limit registration. Join now. Easily you can join here. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, first time visit so you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So when you tap the link, you will see the new interface like this. And here you can sign up easily and sign up now and claim your 30,000 Delta Monos and registration to join. You can register to join and trade future, get double XT, higher value, higher reward, and the higher value, higher rewarded. No limit, keep earning. Complete task to boot for a boost reward, hold the WST, get airdrop, and a join we launch. The highest return and project name Flocky and API. And complete task for higher rabbit and sign up to view the dashboard. So first of all, you can sign up here and view the dashboard also. And so first of all, sign up to view get reward. So here, you can sign up easily here. So first of all, input your email and phone number and registration code also. I have to provide my registration invite code referral code sorry. And you can use and you will get the reward. So first of all, I have to already register in this application. So now we are going to log in. So I have to register now here. You will see under here you can register now easily if you want to register. So this is the reminder. Here you can check the registration successfully. And here you can trade. So now I will explain. So when you tap the trade option, you will check here's the trade option, and here you can select the currency of cryptocurrency. Any crypto you can trade here, like venue or tap any options. And here you can trade and open and close, and here is the leverage also open and sort also. So easy to use this application, and here you can very easy you can trade here in P2P trading also 200 plus local time methods at the best rate is and quick wide zero fee or wide with the VAN code Apple Pay and Google Pay Pixor SEPA. And here's the market option, and here's the future. And the feature USDT M features and paid for it, but paid from Pub Global, traditional, ethos, and copy trade. Trade smarter with the Elite Trader and demo trading a USD M future demo and leaderboard, current and past leaderboard, and about futures trade with the confidence. Or here you can check auto on, keep holding, keep earning, and the staking of subscribe now to earn STD return. And here's the promotion, a new user reward and invite to earn friend unlock up to 3,000 reward and discover event. Live event with the real or rewards stay tuned to all latest action and we launch get weekly airdrop hub deposit and try to earn a sport challenge take to share 3,000 airdrops and here hot ecosystem get more reward in one place. Diamond ants are 20 days VTC 3% and WXG 2% APR. La Liga and Arena choose to team on point with the reward, and here is the more option VIP pop and invite friend will unit vote and 40% commission. The affiliate unlock explosive pots and high commissions elated the fair strategic and own reward and global event and discover in the offline events around the world. Announcement center get the latest update for the WEEX WXT John explosive fees for airdrop. And here is the crypto news. Keep up with the latest crypto things. Crypto Wiki Master Training with the easy-to-follow guide. WEEX and Liga, the official regional partners of Liga, HK and TW, Hong Kong and Taiwan also. So I hope you can understand this one and very easy to use. So easy, you can use this. Here is the many options. Now I will show the promotion new reborn users. When you tap, you will see the new and wrap to 3,000. And here's the airborne stocks grow back. You can link here, secure your account, trade boost. Here you will check, here is the voucher deposit. You can check and here's the future master. 5 is a DT feature bonus also. You can create a, okay, now term and condition you can read also. This is the term and condition. And where is the new vault is made? Download this app and more options you can find there. In here you can deposit easily and withdraw also. You can find the option here. There's the many options. So easy, or you can check and earn under here. Now I will show you the more options. Like, we have more here. The promotion B Lounge, Airdrop Hub. So now I will show you. So when you tap here's the B Lounge, you can check here's the many the blue, hold of the blacks to get free airdrop. Take to earn an event details also, so you can read upcoming details. Upcoming events and ended 218 events or ended. So you can check the ended and this is the outgoing, this is the new one. Fib, and this is the price of this airdrop. Here is, you can check the project name flow key, claim your reward and word also. Here you can check many options. When you are back, you will see many more options. Now I will show you, here's a airdrop hub. So this is the airdrop hub, deposit and take to one, and make a new user airdrop, dozen new user airdrop, and the AI new user airdrop, bam, and many more options. So now I will show you, here is the Liga and Arena. So when you tap, make your choice, choose to earn and point and win reward also. Play for the keeps. This is the name, register now. And here's the schedule. So this is, you can check our CD explode. And here's the some teams also. And here my team, my details, sorry. Complete task to 1 point. Here you can check, link your phone number and make your selection. Today's mall. Here you can check and import also in boyfriends and more options. Here you can check the point. Invitation of redeem reward BTC ETH user bonus BTC also. And more options. Here's the diamond and more options we can. And here's the events. Here's the promotional reward on. So this is the gate up to 30% and stop token WEEX here also. And if you want to generate more income, you can tap here. This is grab limited time, giveaway and daily reward to join. So this is the code. You can copy and share your family member and friends also. So I hope this video helpful for you. So take care, meet the next video.